Hi there, welcome to Learning Target. I can solve quadratics using square roots for more challenging problems. So we are still solving by undoing. It's just that this time there might be more steps involved. So yesterday, or the last video you saw started out with more simple problems like just x squared equals maybe 10. So we knew to undo the squaring, we would take the square root. Now, it just so happens that this problem doesn't have a perfect square, but even still, there are two possible answers. So plus and minus 3 point, and we're going to do 3 decimal places, 1, 6, 2. Okay, we also saw problems that had one step involved, like 3x squared equals 18. So here we would divide by 3, and x squared equals 6. So take the square root. And again, using your calculator, we'd get x equals plus and minus 2.449. Now, we are going to see some problems that have a bit more involved. So if we have x plus 2 squared equals 16. Okay, well this time that squared is on the outside of parentheses. So there's no other operation to do before getting rid of the parentheses. So this time we are going to take the square root first. Okay, so when we do take the square root, remember there's two answers. So this quantity, this x plus 2 quantity equals, well, the square root of 16, that's plus and minus 4. So it's kind of like when we saw those quadratic equation problems. We have x plus 2 equals 4 and x plus 2 equals negative 4. So in both of these, we're going to draw our line. Here we're going to minus 2, x equals 2. Here we're going to minus 2, and x equals negative 6. So those are our two solutions, x equals 2 and x equals negative 6. Okay, we're going to look at one more problem, or maybe two more, just one more part of problem. So let's say we're combining a bunch, like negative 5x squared plus 10 equals negative 20. Okay, so we have to solve for x. So first thing we're going to do is work backwards on that PEMDAS. So first we have to undo the adding. So we're going to subtract 10, negative 5x squared equals negative 30. Okay, divide by negative 5, and x squared equals, 6. Hey, we had that in the previous problem. Take the square root, and x equals plus and minus 2.449. So this one still had, 3 steps in it before we solved. Okay, I want you to try 2 problems on your own. You try x minus 4 squared equals 49. And 2x squared minus 8 equals 20. Try those out. Bring any questions you have to class, and thank you.